In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to customize the underlay on the airliner or slate. Once again, your slate needs to be connected before you start this process. Make sure it's turned on, and you know it's connected because there's no red X on your Smart Tools icon down here in the System tray. Click the Smartboard Tools icon, click the Control Panel. Once it opens, click Smart Hardware Settings. Click the drop-down next to Pen and Button Settings. Click Set Up Underlay and Icon Strip. Notice the screen changes. This is where you can customize your icon strip by clicking this button, Configure Icon Strip. On the right-hand side, you'll see the default setup of the icon strip of your airliner or slate. There is room for 11 icons on your icon strip. If you see one on the default menu that you don't think you'll use very often, you can click to highlight and remove. Then you can find one of the tools that you use often, click to highlight that, and then click the Add button, and it will add it to the bottom of your icon strip. If you would prefer your icon strip in a different order, simply click to highlight the icon you want to move, and then click the Move Up or Move Down button to reorganize your icon strip. Notice right here in the middle, toward the bottom, between the two screens, you can choose where you want to position the icon strip. You can choose to put it on the left, the right, or the bottom. The default is on the right. Notice on the left there are also other tabs with even more tools that you can add to your icon strip. But remember, you can only have a total of 11 icons. Once you have the icon strip the way you'd like it, click OK. Now we will move to customizing the underlay. Click the Customize Underlay button. If you'd like lines on your underlay, you can click horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. It really doesn't matter if you add these lines, because when you use the slate to write, you cannot look down anyway. You need to look up at the board while you're writing. But that is a personal preference. If you'd like to add an image to your underlay, under Image Properties, click the Add button. Browse to find your pictures on your computer. And just like on your desktop, you can center it or you can stretch the image. You can also use this slider to make the image more transparent or not very transparent. That is entirely up to you. Once you have your underlay exactly the way you want it, click OK. Click Apply. Once you've clicked Applied, you may click the Print button to print your underlay. Once it prints, simply cut it out the size of your slate or airliner and put it under the plastic flap of the slate, or remove the plastic covering from the airliner and place it under there.